This animal lays eggs, has venom, and glows in the dark. No, it's not an alien. It's the real-life platypus. It has no stomach. Food goes straight to its gut. It glows blue-green under UV light like a Pokemon. It has venomous ankle spurs that can cause pain for weeks. And it sweats milk. Yes, milk, through its skin. Oh, and it uses electroreception to hunt with its eyes closed. Scientists once thought it was a hoax stitched together. Platypus, the Frankenstein of the animal kingdom. How is this even real? Still think ducks are weird? Follow for more insane, true animal facts.